Hey guys, it's King Rancher 13. Welcome back to another video. And today we're gonna be going and picking up my 350 that I just got that you saw in the last video. If you haven't seen it, click on it right here. But anyhow, we're going to pick up both 350s. So I've got one 350 for Elite and then one 350 that I just got. And both of them got some work done to them, bed liners put in. I haven't even taken it home yet. You already know how to get the window tint done. Can't have anybody see me pick my nose. So got everything done on the tint and then also on the bed liner. And now gonna go pick them up, bring them back, and then we're gonna do some swapping around. So you all saw I traded in my 350 single rear wheel and we're gonna swap everything over. So we'll kind of show you that little bit of process. But if you haven't already, please hit that like and subscribe and comment down below. Let me know what you think of the truck or the trucks or what other trucks you want to see a little bit more of. We've done some truck setup videos of like going over all the specs of what's on it, but let me know if I've missed something or if y'all want to see something more in depth. But follow along as we go along today. Alrighty. There's one of them. Second one. All right, let's go check out this 350. Alrighty, looks pretty good. Got the BMW in there. All right, let's go check out the other 350. Oh yeah, looks good to me. All right, let's go inside and get this thing paid. Forgot to look at the tent. Oh, that is dark. I don't know, what do you think? It looks pretty dark, doesn't it? I think the front windshield looks really dark. Here, let's look at it from the front again. That's Ray Charles right there. All right, Kyle, you wanna drive this one? There you go. All right, I'll see you at the house. All right, so back at the house, about to play some musical trucks. All right, truck one moved. Time for truck two. Alrighty, one more. Alright, so we got both trucks lined up to do the transition. That's the BMW and that's the factory. So the difference is that this one's got stake holders and you could put different accessories on this compared to the BMW. My preference is always a Ford factory one because I think as far as like compatibility, if you ever want to put an RV, one of those big RV hitches, you can. I personally put the gooseneck adapter on my fifth wheel on my toy hauler, so I don't have to put that whole big bulky thing in there and I don't have to swap it out every time I pull a gooseneck or pull my tractor and stuff like that. So that's the difference. But the only reason why I did BMW on this truck this time is I think when I bought this truck, I needed to pull my camper for teal season and we're gonna go literally the next week and the factory prep package was out of stock. So you kind of didn't have a choice, but that's why I've ran the BMW, and this is actually a BMW offset. So it offsets it a little bit, and before the offset on a different truck on the same bed, I hit the gooseneck, the big text right there, and that's why that cam locker's kind of screwed up a little bit there. But yeah, I'm gonna take this out so we can slide everything over. I'm gonna have to cut the wires for the pump. So let me pull this handle on this side and get that thing unlocked. Actually, I might have you pull that out while I pull this. There we go. Take some elbow grease. Haven't taken that thing out since I put it in pretty much. So that's what the BMW hole looks like. And I'll be honest, the BMW design, just because of all the dirt and rust and stuff like that, and thankfully this hasn't been here for like a year or so. That one, the handle, so I actually buy a BMW ball instead of the Ford ball, because the Ford ball, the middle of that thing can get stuck and you might never get the ball out. And actually one time I sold the truck because of that. Literally, I sold the truck because I couldn't get the ball out. hood and reversing what we did before with the fuel tank hookups. So I've actually already got, here's the hookups for it. Go ahead and cut them. And actually the other day, when I took one of the neighborhood kids and his dad hunting, he was like, is this the truck with the train horns? When we were driving the 450 there. And I was like, you know what? I forgot this truck actually has train horns on it. So glad he mentioned it. So shout out to Kason if you're watching this on reminding me about making sure I've got train horns out of here and then put them on the other truck. I'm gonna go from below and should be able to pull. There we go. Now it's time to take out the, you see that? Train horns. Oh man, I guess a rock hit the horn or something. That's sad. All right, so now I've got to take these wheels and tires off because the dealership wanted the factory ones on there. So I'm gonna pick up the factory ones from a guy in town. So he's tied up until about 11 and it's about 9:30 right now. So we're gonna go ahead and just go to the office for a little bit and then we'll go and pick those up and then we'll drop this off at the dealership. They'll swap it out and then I'll come pick these up later. So also, by the way, if you want these wheels and tires, these are 37 by 1350 by 20. Knitted mud grapplers. Only been on here for like a year. Got 30,000 miles on them. Still plenty of tread. I don't know if you can tell, but plenty of tread. Even wear all the way around. Yeah, the wheels are a little bit dirty right now, but I don't know what happened here with the tire shop. Just a little bit flaking around the edge, but yeah, it comes with the center cap. So this will work on a 350 single rear wheel or 250 with the high capacity tow package with the bigger axle. So if y'all want this, DM me at King Rancher 13 on Instagram and you can pick these up in Midland. I think I'll probably sell them for like 2,600, somewhere around there. I think that's pretty fair for the honeycomb look. I love, these are my favorite types of wheels, the honeycomb look. And so that's why I put them on this truck because I didn't really like the 23, 24 King Ranch wheels. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. But anyways, yeah, for now, we're gonna get rolling. We're gonna go to the office, take care of some stuff, and we'll see you when we go pick up the wheels. So I'm about to drive this truck for the first time. Actually, Kyle behind the camera, he's driven it more than I have. He drove it to the tint shop, straight from the dealership, and then drove it from the bedlining place here. So if I take my first test drive on it, it's gonna be just like any other 350, but it'll be cool to drive it for the first time. So, all right, we'll see you. All right, so we're dropping off the truck. Got the pawpaw wheels in the back. I'm gonna have my buddy switch them out real quick here at the dealership, but these are gonna go in the back and then I'll pick them up later. But this is pretty much the last time we're gonna be seeing this truck. Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna miss it that much because it's the same exact interior as everything else I've got, but it was a good one. Oh, speaking of which, there's Dominic right there. And then this is the new one. What's up? Good, man. How about you?
Good.
Yep.
Trading this one in?
Yeah, I'm trading this one in. Yeah. It was a good truck.
Yeah.
So adios to that one, and this one we're gonna do some stuff to it. Probably do something with the bumpers to get some of that chrome and get the white, like similar like that, where it's color matched. So stay tuned for the next video. Please hit that like and subscribe, and leave me a comment down below on what you think I should do to this truck because I haven't ordered anything yet. All right, we'll see you on the next one.